Supriya Rani, then Sahil, Vansika, then all of you give your attendance. Aryan Raj, Jigyasa, Sahil. Then today's topic is electrostatic force. Nisu, class 8. Anyhow, see an electrostatic force, an electric charge develops on the surface of certain bodies when they rub against each other. The charged body exert a force on the other charge or uncharged body. This force is called electrostatic force. This force does not require any physical contact between two bodies. It is non-contact force. Now the force, pay attention, the force exerted by charged bodies. The force exerted by charged bodies on uncharged bodies or charged bodies called electrostatic force. Then question is, first question is, what do you mean by charge? Anybody? Can anyone tell me what is charge? What is charge? Tell me, all of you, what do you mean by the term charge? What is charge? What is charge? Anybody? Tell me what is charge? No answer. Anybody? What is charge? Write down in your copy, everybody, what is charge? Write down. Body which contains electron and proton is called a body which will contain electron is not charged body, or a body which contains only proton is not charged body. Write down what is charge. All of you write. Charge is fundamental property of matter. Charge is fundamental property of matter. Charge is fundamental property of matter which makes it experience a force of attraction or repulsion. Charge is fundamental property of matter which makes it experience a force of attraction or repulsion. Which makes it experience a force of attraction or repulsion in electric or magnetic field. In electric or magnetic field. In electric or magnetic field. Have you written in electric or magnetic field? Good morning, Jessica. Reply all of you, have you written? Then I'll explain. See here. Suppose I am making an electric field. Look on the board. Positive charge. Entire area is electric. If an electric field, if I am putting a positive charge, if I am putting a positive charge, so what will happen to positive charge if it is placed near positive plate? Blur is there. Listen here. Naturally, you see in your listen there. Naturally, you see electricity. One wire is positive, other wire is negative. So, if you take a positive charge, pay attention. If you are taking a positive charge and keeping near the positive plate, what will happen to the charge? You are taking a positive plate, positive charge. Pay attention. You are taking a positive charge and keeping near a positive plate. What will happen to that charge? Reply all of you. If you are taking a positive charge and keeping near a positive plate, what will happen to that charge? Reply quickly. If you are taking a positive charge and keeping it positive, so positive, there will be repulsion. Positive, there will be repulsion because like charges repel each other. Like charges will repel each other. Is it clear? But if I keep a negative charge, if I keep a negative charge near a positive charge plate, what will happen to that charge? If I keep a negative charge near a positive charge plate, what will happen to that charge? Attraction. So negative charge got attracted towards positive plate and positive repulsion. But if I keep a neutral particle, pay attention what I'm saying. If I keep a neutral particle near positive plate, what will happen to that particle? If I keep a neutral particle near your positively charged plate, what will happen to that particle? Negative charge, no, nothing will happen if we are keeping a neutral particle near a positive charge plate. Nothing will happen to that particle because the particle does not have any charge. If a particle is having charge, then only it can be attracted or repelled. Neutral particle, there will be no attraction, no repulsion. So such a property of matter which makes it either experience repulsive force or attractive force in electric or magnetic field, that property is called charge. How many kinds of charges are there? Reply all of you. How many kinds of charges are there? How many types? We have two types of charges. One is positive charge, other is negative charge. Write down. One charge is positive, other charge is negative. Can anyone tell me what is the SI unit of charge? What is the SI unit of charge? Who can tell me what is the SI unit of charge? Charge is measured under which quantity? Coulomb. SI unit of charge is Coulomb. C-O-U-L-O-M. Write down. SI unit of charge is Coulomb. See here, when you rub your hair against comb, rubbing hair against a comb, the comb can lose some electrons, and after losing some electrons, the comb gets positively charged. This positively charged comb will attract bits of paper. So it is contact force or non-contact force? Tell me all of you. Electrostatic force is contact force or non-contact force? Kishan, are you there in class? Kishan? Kishan, are you there in the class? Kishan Kumar? Yes, this electrostatic force example of Kishan, why your brother is not attending the classes, online classes? Reply there, Kishan, why your brother is not attending online classes, Lisa? Reply, Kishan, why your brother is not attending online classes and you are attending? Then next, there are two types of charges known to us, positive and negative. The force experience between the electric charges. Force experience between electric charges is called electric field. You don't know, he is your brother only, you don't know there, you all are passing time, that's all, nothing. His board is there, you don't have any trouble. There are two types of charges known as positive and negative. The force experience between electric charges is called electrostatic. See here, there are two types of charge, positive and negative. The force experience between the electric charges is called electrostatic force. Let us demonstrate through an activity how an electrostatic force acts on a body. See here, today he has fever. Listen here, activity 1. Take 2 inflated balloons. Then activity 1, take 2 inflated balloons, rub them with a piece of wool, bring them close to each other, you will see moving away. Now bring a balloon, bring the piece of wool closer to another balloon, they will get attracted to each other. Rubbing the balloon with piece of wool causes the balloons to get charged. A similar types of charge develop on the balloons with an opposite type of charge dropping on the develops over the piece of wool. When the two balloons brought closer, they repel each other. See here, when you are taking a woolen cloth and rubbing inflated balloon, the balloon gets charged. See here, rubbing the balloon with a piece of wool causes the balloons to get charged. Now both the balloon will get same charge or different charge. And you are rubbing the balloon with woolen cloth. Reply all of you. Will the balloon get same charge or different charge? Reply quickly. You are rubbing both the balloon with the same woolen cloth. Will the balloon get same charge or opposite charge? Say here, rubbing the balloon with a piece of wool causes the balloons to get charged. Similar types of charge covers over the balloons with an opposite type of charge. When the two balloons are brought close together, they repel each other. This is because, see, when these two balloons will be brought together each other, because they have same charge, they will be repelled. Then, when the piece of wool is brought closer to the balloon, when you are bringing wool closer to the balloon, they may also attract each other. They may also attract your woolen clothes. This is because opposite charges attract each other. Opposite charges attract each other. All of you read up to here. Read up to here, all of you. When two balloons are brought close to each other, they repel. Why do the balloons repel each other? Reply all of you. Why do the balloons repel each other? Why do the balloons repel each other? Because they carry the same charge. When a wool is brought close to the balloon, they attract each other. Now, when you are bringing wool close to the balloon, wool and balloon are attracting each other. Why? Why will the wool attract the balloon? Because they have same charge. A charged body can attract other uncharged bodies. For example, a plastic ruler gets charged when it is run through dry air. The charged form attracts small bits of paper. Then forces: contact force, non-contact force. Contact force, non-contact force. Contact force, you have muscular force, that is contact force. Mechanical force is contact force. Frictional force is contact force. Gravitational force is non-contact. Magnetic force force is non-contact, and electrostatic force is also non-contact. Then an apple falls down from a tree. What will be the answer? An apple falls down from a tree. What will be the answer? All of you reply. What will be the answer? An apple falls down from the tree. Then a football rolls on the ground. Which force? Football rolls on the ground. Which force? Football rolls on the ground. Which force? Frictional force. A nail clings to the magnet. A nail clings to the magnet. Which force? Nail clinging to the magnet. Then nail clings to magnet, magnetic force. Now bullock pulls a cart. A bullock pulls a cart. What will be the answer? Reply: a bullock pulls a cart. Muscular force. Then weights of paper attracted to charged paper. Then weights of paper get attracted, that is electrostatic force. Force employed by machine parts. Then force employed in the machine parts, mechanical force. Force applied. Now action of two or more forces. All of you read up to this page number first. Read up to page number 155, all of you. Have you read? Read up to page number 155. All of you read. Read page number 155. Have you read? You have to do activity 1. Yes, you have to do activity 1. Action of two or more forces. Now consider the game of tug of war in which two teams pull the rope from two different directions. In which direction will the rope move? When both the teams apply the same amount of force against each other, then the equal amount of force. Let's see here. If two people are pulling or many people are applying equal amount of force on both the sides, will the rope move? Will the rope move if equal forces are applied on both the sides? Then which teams apply the when the teams apply when the teams apply the same amount of force against each other and equal amount, see, when equal amount of force is applied from both the sides, that time the rope will not move. But if one side is applying more force, rope will go along that side. When the both the teams apply this amount of force against each other, that is equal amount of force in opposite direction, the rope does not move in any direction. For example, this is a box of mass M. One person is pulling with a force 500 Newton. This person is pulling with will the box move? Tell me in this case, will the box move? Learn and listen. One box is there. Both the sides are applying 500 Newton force. Will the box move? Tell me yes or no. One box is kept and both the person say here the one box is kept and both the persons are applying force on the box on both the sides in equal amount. Will the box move? Will the box move? Why? Why the box will not move? Tell me. Why the box will not move? Why will the box not move? Reply quickly. Yes, box will not move because it will experience equal and opposite amount of force on both the sides. So these forces will cancel each other effects. Reply because both sides have equal amount of force, they will cancel each other effects. Both the sides have equal amount of force and they will cancel each other's effect. Is it clear? All of you reply. Such a force which in which all of you write down the heading balance force. Write down in copy balance force. Balance force. Then write down in copy balance force. If several forces, write down. If several forces acting on a body if several forces are acting on a body and the resultant of all these forces and the resultant of all these forces is zero, and if the resultant of all these forces, if the resultant of all these forces is zero, and if the resultant of all the forces acting on body is zero, the forces are said to be balanced. Forces are said to be balanced. Means the box should not be moved, there should be not any force, resultant force should be zero. Is it clear, all of you reply? Written. If the resultant force is zero, then the forces are said to be unbalanced. Read all of you page number 146. All of you read page number 146. Sorry, 156. Read that page. Page number 156. No doubt is there. Reply that there is no doubt. All of you reply. Any doubt is there? Reply. Okay then. Complete activity 1 and learn and come up to here.